Crash landing in a balloon. 1. Darian Russell was on an African safari, during which she and her group saw lions, hippos, and elephants living freely in their glorious natural environment. She also got a priceless opportunity to photograph a leopard sleeping on the branches of a tree just a few yards away. Now, along with 8 Canadian and 3 Belgian tourists, this 67-year-old woman was about to experience the highlight of their 19-day adventure, a hot air balloon ride over Kenya's Masai Mara Game Reserve. Russell watched the balloon handlers guide the craft in preparation for the dawn safari. Chris Marshall, a freelance pilot, called everyone to gather around him. As Russell listened to the instructions, she realized that the journey was fraught with risks and that everyone needed to be alert. Soon, all the passengers climbed into the basket of the hot air balloon. Each person had to lie on their back in a separate compartment. Giggling like school children on a field trip, they took their places. The propane gas burner, fired by the pilot from the center of the basket, blasted hot air into the canopy. Slowly, the balloon straightened itself. Though the basket looked ungainly on the ground, it lifted gracefully into the air. As the balloon rose, the passengers moved into crouching positions. Russell was among the first to stand up. She leaned over the chest-high side of the basket and waved at the helpers, standing nearly 50 meters below. Suddenly, disaster struck. Russell did not realize they were descending, but the huge balloon was mysteriously sinking towards the ground. Within moments, they were only a few meters above it. "Turn the heat up," she shouted to the pilot. But before anything could be done, the powerless balloon crashed violently into the dust and onto toppled its side. The canopy, still inflated, acted like a massive sail. The balloon hurtled across the plain, and the passengers clutched the rope handholds tightly. For nearly 500 meters, the balloon bounced and crashed through bushes and ravines. The occupants were tossed helplessly inside the basket. The violent jolting made Russell feel as though her brain was being thrown against her skull. Her head was struck by a heavy blow, probably from the metal framework above the basket. She believed she was about to die. Suddenly, the runaway balloon came to a halt, and an eerie silence followed. Though injured and dazed from the blow to her head, Russell was one of the first to regain her senses and crawl out of the basket.